Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to manually calibrate sticks and triggers. To manually calibrate sticks and triggers, press and hold +- button and home button to enter calibration. Next, RGB strips will start flashing slowly. At this point, push both sticks fully to their limits and rotate them 2-3 times. Press trigger fully down 3 times, and in the end press A to exit. RGB strips will return to their normal state. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.